Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make frozen cotton candy grapes. First, choose ripe, firm cotton candy grapes. Look for a vibrant green color and a sweet aroma. Next, wash your grapes thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt or residue. It's important to be gentle to avoid bruising them. Finally, pat the grapes completely dry with a paper towel. This step is crucial for preventing ice crystals from forming. Now let's get them ready for freezing. Carefully remove each grape from its stem. Make sure no small stem pieces are left attached, as these can be unpleasant to eat. Then, spread the grapes in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This prevents them from sticking together. Place the sheet in the freezer for a minimum of 4 hours, or until they are completely solid. Once your grapes are perfectly frozen, it's time to store them. Transfer the solid grapes from the baking sheet into an airtight container or a freezer-safe bag. This will protect them from freezer burn and keep them fresh. You can store these delicious frozen treats in your freezer for up to 2 months. They make a fantastic, healthy snack or a unique dessert on a warm day. Here are a few extra tips to enhance your frozen grape experience. For a tangy twist, try rolling the grapes in a little lime juice before freezing them. Or, for a decadent dessert, dip the frozen grapes in melted dark chocolate and refreeze until firm. They are truly versatile. And speaking of upgrades, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a game changer for keeping your home spotless. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.